Hello guys, in the previous video I have shown you how to make this 7 segment display. You can go to the above link to check how I have made this display. So today I will be showing you how to code the Arduino to make this display work. So here is the code. I have defined 10 array from 0 to number 9. I have put this one zeros and ones in this fashion. So in the 7 segment LED you have seen A to G segment I have marked there. Each segment denote the 3 LED line. Suppose I have to write a 0 in the 7 segment. I have to put this G segment to 0 and except G all the segment will lit up. So that's how the 0 will be defined in the 7 segment display. It is so in number 8 we have to let all the LEDs to show the number 8. This is how I have configured this, and in this setup loop in this setup function I have defined the pin of Arduino which were outputting the each segment, that is 2 to pin 8. And in this loop I have written number 0 first and give it a delay of 1 second, and then again written a number 1, then give it a delay of 1 second. This is how I have coded it, and this is the function which I was calling from the loop, and I have passed which number I have to so digital write is the inbuilt function of Arduino which usually set the pin to high or low. Which pin? The output pin which I have set previously in the setup. This is how I coded the 7 segment display. You can also code any alphabet you want. You just have to arrange this array according to the alphabet, and in the loop section you have to write whatever you want to write. So hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, do subscribe the channel. I will be making more videos on electronics.